So ayan, magandang gabi naman mga paps. So may bagong job hiring na naman tayo. So watch out to Cagayan de Oro, Barangay Bulua. Job hiring overseas orientation, Barangay Hall, Bulua, Cagayan de Oro City. In partnership with Bulua Barangay Council and Peso, Cagayan de Oro City. So may orientation po sila sa February 11 and 12, 2025. So 8 AM to 4 PM po. So 2 days po ito. 2 days orientation, February 11 and 12. So watch out, bahala na kayo dyan at babush ka.